This is Moe Agostino from Farms.com Risk Management. We're live at the Farm Progress Show in Boone, Iowa, and we've been traveling through parts of the Midwest. We haven't taken our full tour this go around, but we've gone through Ontario, Michigan, Illinois, and Iowa, and we've taken a corn cob off of this field here at the Farm Progress, and this is probably some of the best corn you're going to see in Iowa. As we traveled through our tour, Illinois was probably the worst looking corn. Markets have told you that through tours, pro farmer tours and that sort of thing. Some of that corn in Illinois was really, stalks were falling down, quite dry, quite mature. They did get some rain over the weekend, about half an inch to an inch, inch and a half in certain areas. I think that's going to help more the late planted soybeans, not so much the corn. We're going to also go look at some more corn cobs just down at another field. And we showed you earlier corn cob from one of the fields here at Farm Progress in Boone, Iowa, and this is a little bit more representative of what we've seen in our tour as we've traveled through the Midwest. And so this is just another corn cob we've taken. You can see the difference in size. Hasn't quite going to yield as much as perhaps this one will. Smaller corn cob. So you know, corn prices have done quite well to date. If you remember last year, corn hit a high in that high 790 on August 29th during that Farm Progress show. We're at Farm Progress, so do you think the high is going to be this week, or is it going to be a little bit later? Morgan Stanley thinks it's going to be a little bit later. Many people are thinking it's going to be over the next 2-3 months. Some are suggesting that the Pro Farmer Tour that estimated corn at 120.25, a little bit lower than the USDA at 123 and change bushels per acre, suggesting that they may have overestimated yield because of the variability among fields, but also the variability amongst rows in the corn. So we're harvesting. 6% of the corn has been harvested so far in the United States. There's some reports out of the very south of the U.S. and the Midwest that has started to harvest. There's aflatoxin issues and poor test weights. I'm assuming you're going to get some poor test weights with this type of corn. Maybe not so much with this corn cob. On the soybean front, we got some rain over the weekend, about an inch, inch and a half. It was a really good rain event. Probably going to help more of the late planted beans. But we probably haven't rationed manna like we have on the corn side. Export inspections this week were about 17 million compared to an average of 39 million this time of the year, whereas soybean exports, although slowing down a little bit, higher than the 5-year average at 12 million for this time of the year. So looked like maybe beans on Monday they actually hit new all-time contract highs at 1760. We'll see whether we can retest that here in the next few weeks as we start to pick up that harvest pace in the US. Till next time, thanks for watching. Have a great day.